Hi there, welcome to tutorial part 2. So number 36 से शुरू करते हैं. Let's get going. 36, they're not coming. 37, they aren't ready yet. 38, they haven't responded. 39, they won't agree. 40, they weren't aware. 41, he's smart. That is, he is को हमने blend किया और बन गया his. So he's smart. 42, he's working late. 43, he's taken the offer. 44, he'll manage. 45, he was tired. 46, he's not available. I repeat, इसमें available को भी मेरे साथ repeat करिए. He's not available. इसको आप ये भी कह सकते हैं, he isn't available. 47, he isn't listening. 48, he hasn't arrived. 49, he won't come. 50, he wasn't serious. 51, she's kind. She is be she's. 52, she's calling you. 53, she's done with her shift. 54, she'll be there soon. 55, she was helpful. 56, she's not ready. इसको हम ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं, she isn't ready. 57, she isn't talking. 58, she hasn't replied. 59, she won't accept it. 60, she wasn't home. 61, it's cold today. Now it is को हम लिखते तो it's हैं, but इसमें ट या त मतलब ये weak sounds होती हैं, तो इन्हें हल्का सा स ही करके बोला जाता है. मैं रिपीट करता हूं, is possible, is there, is possible, is not possible, right? तो चलते हैं आगे. 62, it's working fine. 63, it started raining. 64, अब it will को भी हम बोलेंगे, it will भी को बोलेंगे it will, बट हल्का सा जो ट है उसको वीक साउंड कर देंगे, हटा ही देंगे. ये सुनने में ऐसा लगेगा इल, तो इसको मेरे साथ कॉपी करिएगा. 64 को, it'll be over soon, it'll be over soon. और अनकंफर्टेबल लग रहा है तो it'll be over soon ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं. 65, it was funny. 66, it's not fair. ध्यान दीजिएगा, मैंने it's नहीं बोला, मैंने बोला it's not fair. 67, it isn't working. 68, it hasn't happened. 69, it won't last. Number 70, it wasn't enough. So thank you so much. Now I believe आप इस एडवाइस को बिल्कुल अपने ब्रेन में इनग्रेन कर लीजिए कि इस वीडियो को पार्ट 1 एंड पार्ट 2 को लगातार रिपीट करना है. जितनी बार रिपीट करेंगे उतना बेहतर होते जाएंगे, राइट? तो ग्रामर की रूल सीखना जरूरी है, वो लैंग्वेज का एक करेक्शन करता है, लेकिन नेटिव्स कैसे बोलते हैं या गुड स्पीकर्स कैसे बोलते हैं, उनके स्टाइल को मिमिक करके, कॉपी करके भी हम बहुत अच्छा बोलना सीख सकते हैं. सो इसको मिमिक करिए, कॉपी करिए, and keep learning and keep shining. Thank you so much.